Most people building a barndominium in 2026 are settling for a basic box on a slab. But what if I told you that for the right budget, you could have a stunning A-frame barndominium with a wraparound porch and your own outdoor swimming pool, all built for a fraction of what a traditional custom home would cost? We are talking about a 3,000 square foot home that combines jaw-dropping architectural design, outdoor living that most neighborhoods cannot touch, and the durability of a metal frame build that is engineered to last over 50 years. Today, I am breaking down every single dollar it takes to build this exact setup in 2026, the real pros, the honest cons, and whether this dream build is actually worth it. Stay with me all the way to the end because the full cost breakdown is going to surprise you, and I am going to show you exactly where people overspend and where you can save serious money. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to giving you honest, research-backed information about alternative housing, so you can make smart decisions. Hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown like this one. The wraparound porch and outdoor pool, the real reason people choose this build. Let me be direct with you. A lot of people start researching A-frame barndominiums because of the roof line and the price point. But the people who actually pull the trigger and build one with a wraparound porch and outdoor pool, they are building it for the lifestyle. And that lifestyle starts the moment you step outside your front door. Think about what a wraparound porch actually means for your daily life. You wake up in the morning, walk out the door, and you have covered outdoor space wrapping around multiple sides of your home. You are not squeezing onto a small front stoop or a basic back deck. You have a full outdoor room with shade from the elements, protection from rain, and views in every direction that a neighborhood subdivision will never give you. Morning coffee on the east side as the sun comes up. Dinner outside on the south side with the breeze. Evening drinks watching the sunset on the west side. That is not a weekend experience, that is your everyday life. The wraparound porch on an A-frame barndominium works especially well because of how the roofline flows. The steep pitch of the A-frame creates deep natural overhangs that extend right into the porch structure. This means your covered outdoor space feels architecturally connected to the home, not bolted on as an afterthought. It looks intentional, it functions beautifully, and it adds covered square footage that makes your 3,000 square foot home feel significantly larger. Now place a swimming pool 20 to 30 feet off the back of that porch, and the entire picture changes. What you have created is a private outdoor resort that belongs entirely to you. The porch becomes the transition zone between your interior living space and the pool area. You walk out the back of the porch onto the pool deck, swim, come back up to the covered porch to dry off, and never once have to walk through the interior of your home dripping wet. That flow between porch and pool is one of the most practical and most enjoyable features of this entire build, and it is something you only get when you design both elements together from the start. The pool also transforms the function of the wraparound porch itself. Without a pool, the porch is a relaxation space. With a pool, it becomes a full entertainment hub. You are hosting cookouts, where guests move freely between the covered porch and the water. Kids are in the pool while adults sit in the shade on the porch. Evening gatherings happen naturally across both spaces. This is the kind of property that becomes the go-to spot for family and friends, and that has real value that goes way beyond any dollar figure. The 3,000 square foot layout. For this breakdown, we are working with a 3,000 square foot A-frame barndominium. Let me walk you through how that space actually breaks down. The main living area sits at the core of the A-frame, approximately 2,200 square feet of conditioned living space. This includes an open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area on the main floor with those dramatic vaulted ceilings above. The main floor also holds the primary bedroom suite, 2 additional bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a mudroom entry. Many A-frame barndominium owners take advantage of the steep roofline by adding a loft space accessed by an open staircase. In our 3,000 square foot example, a 400 to 500 square foot loft adds a 4th bedroom, home office, or flex space overlooking the main living area below. The remaining 300 to 400 square feet covers the attached garage or utility space that most barndominium floor plans incorporate. The wraparound porch adds an additional 600 to 800 square feet of covered outdoor living space that is not counted in the conditioned square footage, but is absolutely factored into the build cost. This is where your outdoor dining area lives, your rocking chairs, your evening hangout space, and your direct access to the pool area. The Wraparound Porch. More than just curb appeal, I want to spend real time on the Wraparound Porch because most people treat it as a cosmetic upgrade and completely underestimate what it actually does for your daily life and your property value. First, the functional benefits. A wraparound porch on an A-frame barndominium gives you covered access to multiple sides of the home. Rain does not stop your outdoor life. Summer heat is managed because the porch roof shades the exterior walls and windows, directly reducing your cooling load. In states like Texas, Georgia, and the Carolinas, a properly designed wraparound porch can cut summer cooling costs by 10 to 15% according to energy efficiency research. Second, the lifestyle factor. You are essentially adding a full outdoor room to your home. Morning coffee on the east-facing side while the sun comes up. Evening drinks on the west side, watching the sunset. Access to the pool area through a dedicated section of the porch without tracking water back through the main house. Third, the resale value. Homes with wraparound porches consistently outperform comparable homes without them in rural and semi-rural markets. In the barndominium segment specifically, this is a feature that buyers actively seek and pay a premium for. The cost to add a wraparound porch to your A-frame barndominium runs $10 to $30 per square foot, according to metal building kit suppliers, in 2026. For a 700 square foot wrap-around porch, that is $7,000 to $21,000 at the kit level. When you factor in concrete footings, decking material, railings, ceiling fans, and lighting, budget an additional $15,000 to $35,000 fully finished. Total wrap-around porch cost for this build, $22,000 to $56,000 depending on finish level. The swimming pool. Real numbers for 2026. Now let us talk about the swimming pool, because this is where a lot of dream builds either stay on paper or blow up a budget. In 2026, building an in-ground swimming pool costs between $35,000 and $120,000, with a national average sitting right around $65,000. That wide range is driven by three things: pool material, pool size, and your location. Vinyl liner pools are the entry point, ranging from $35,000 to $80,000 installed. They look great and give you maximum size flexibility, but they require liner replacement every 5 to 15 years at $3,000 to $7,500 each time. Fiberglass pools are the sweet spot for most barndominium owners, running $45,000 to $100,000 for a standard residential installation. Installation is fast, typically 3 to 5 weeks, the surface naturally resists algae, and long-term maintenance costs are lower. The downside is size limitations, since most manufacturers max out around 16 by 40 feet. Concrete or gunite pools are the premium option at $50,000 to $120,000 or more. They are fully customizable in shape and size, but they are the most expensive to maintain long-term, with acid washing every 3 to 5 years and resurfacing every 10 to 15 years. For our 3,000 square foot A-frame barndominium build, we are going to use a mid-range fiberglass pool, approximately 16 by 32 feet, which is a solid recreational size. That lands us at $60,000 to $75,000 for the pool installation itself. But here is what people miss. The pool is not your only pool-related expense. You also need pool decking and surround, which runs $8,000 to $18,000. Fencing is legally required in most states and costs $3,000 to $8,000. A pool heater adds $2,000 to $6,500. Electrical work for the pump and lighting adds $3,000 to $6,000. Landscaping around the pool area adds $5,000 to $15,000. Your complete ready-to-swim pool setup for this build, $80,000 to $120,000 all in. And do not forget ongoing maintenance, which runs $500 to $3,000 per year minimum. The full cost breakdown, 3,000 SQ Fort A-frame barndominium with wraparound port and pool. Here is the honest complete number. I am going to give you ranges based on budget to mid-range and mid-range to high-end finishes, because the gap between those two tiers is significant. Building kit and shell. In 2026, barndominium kits run $30 to $50 per square foot for materials and assembly. For our 3,000 square foot A-frame, the kit and shell, including custom A-frame roofline engineering, end walls, and assembly, runs approximately $90,000 to $150,000. Foundation. A concrete slab for 3,000 square feet costs $18,000 to $30,000, depending on thickness and regional pricing. Interior living space finish out. At $70 to $150 per square foot for 200 square feet of conditioned space, This runs $154,000 to $330,000. This covers insulation, interior framing, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Wraparound porch, fully finished, $22,000 to $56,000. Swimming pool, complete setup, $80,000 to $120,000. Site costs, including permits, engineering, driveway, well, and septic if needed, $25,000 to $65,000. Total project cost, budget to mid-range, $389,000 to $550,000, mid-range to high-end, $550,000 to $750,000 at 3,000 square feet plus porch. That works out to roughly $130 to $250 per square foot for the total project, including pool, which still compares favorably to a traditional custom home with pool in the same size range, which would typically run $450,000 to $900,000 or more, depending on your location. The honest pros cost efficiency at this scale is still compelling. Even with the premium features of a wraparound porch and swimming pool, you are building a property that would cost dramatically more using traditional construction methods. The metal frame and post-frame construction systems save you 20 to 35% compared to stick-built at the same finish level. The A-frame aesthetic delivers genuine value. This is not a cookie-cutter home. In 2026, the Barndominium market has seen a 35% increase in popularity since 2023, and A-frame designs are among the most sought-after variations. Unique architecture in a rural market commands attention and drives both lifestyle satisfaction and resale interest. Durability is a major advantage. Steel frame construction resists fire, pests, rot, and severe weather. Your home is not going to get eaten by termites, rot from moisture, or require exterior painting every 5 years. The roof pitch on an A-frame also means snow load is a non-issue since it sheds naturally. Insurance premiums in many markets are lower for metal frame construction because of the fire resistance. The outdoor living combination of wraparound porch and pool creates a lifestyle most suburban neighborhoods literally cannot offer you. You have private resort-level amenities on your own land, and that is a quality of life argument that is genuinely hard to put a number on. Energy efficiency potential is excellent. The steep A-frame roofline reduces the overall exterior surface area relative to interior volume. Paired with spray foam insulation, which is the recommended approach for metal and post-frame builds, you get a tight thermal envelope that performs extremely well in both hot and cold climates. The wraparound porch shading reduces summer heat gain through walls and windows. Construction speed is faster than traditional builds. In 2026, the simplified framing of an A-frame metal building means you can have the shell standing in days. Full completion timelines typically run 6 to 9 months compared to 12 to 18 months for comparable traditional custom homes. The honest cons. The budget is real, and you need to be honest with yourself about it. A fully finished 3,000 square foot A-frame barndominium with wraparound porch and swimming pool is not a budget build. The entry point for this project is roughly $390,000, and mid-range finishes push you toward $550,000 before you land. If you are expecting a $200,000 build because you heard barndominiums are cheap, this specific combination is not that project. Financing remains a legitimate challenge. In 2026, conventional mortgage lenders still treat barndominiums as non-standard properties in many markets. You may face a higher down payment requirement of 20 to 25%, need a construction loan that converts to a permanent mortgage, or find that fewer lenders are willing to work with you compared to a traditional home purchase. Adding a pool and custom porch actually helps your appraisal value, but you need to line up barndominium-friendly lenders before you start. The A-frame interior creates usable space challenges. The steeply sloped walls mean the lower portions of the building, near the sides where the roofline meets the ground, have limited ceiling height. Furniture placement, storage, and room configurations need to be thought through carefully. This is not a deal breaker, but it requires intentional design work to maximize every square foot. Zoning and permitting deserve serious research before you spend a dollar. While barndominiums have gone mainstream in rural Texas, Oklahoma, and the Midwest, there are still jurisdictions with architectural restrictions that complicate or block metal residential construction. Some counties also have setback requirements that affect where you can place a pool relative to the home and property lines. The pool adds ongoing costs forever. Your annual maintenance on an in-ground pool runs $500 to $3,000 minimum for chemicals, cleaning, and equipment. Add periodic repairs, liner replacement if you go vinyl, and resurfacing on a concrete pool, and you are committing to a long-term expense. The pool also adds to your homeowner's insurance premium, typically $50 to $75 more per month. Resale in certain markets requires patience. In suburban and urban markets where traditional architecture dominates, A-frame barndominiums are still a niche product. Your buyer pool is smaller than for a conventional home. Rural and semi-rural markets, particularly in the South and Midwest, where the barndominium culture is established, are far more favorable. Here is the straight answer on whether a 3,000 square foot A-frame barndominium with wraparound porch and outdoor swimming pool makes sense in 2026. If you have the land, the right location, and a realistic budget in the $400,000 to $600,000 range, this is one of the most compelling custom home builds available today. You are getting architecture that turns heads, outdoor living that most people only dream about, long-term durability that a wood frame house simply cannot match, and you are still coming in below what a traditional custom home with the same features would cost you. The people this build is perfect for are those who want to own their lifestyle outright, remote workers who need space to spread out, and a backyard that rewards them for staying home. Families who want a property their kids will grow up loving. People who value durability and low maintenance over trends that go in and out of style. And honestly, anyone who has ever driven past a stunning A-frame in the mountains and thought, I want that as my everyday home. The people who should pause before committing are those stretching their budget uncomfortably, those in markets with uncertain resale dynamics, and those who have not yet done the zoning homework. Go talk to your county building department before you buy land. Get 3 quotes from builders who have actually completed A-frame barndominium projects, and budget a contingency of 10 to 15% on top of your projected costs, because construction projects almost always find surprises. The A-frame barndominium with wraparound porch and outdoor pool is not the cheapest barndominium build you will find. But for what it delivers and how it compares to traditional construction at the same level, the value is absolutely real. If this video helped you understand what goes into this type of build, do me a favor and hit the like button, because it genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want to see more honest breakdowns on alternative housing, barndominiums, and cost-effective building strategies. Drop your questions in the comments below and I will answer them. I want to know, would you build an A-frame barndominium, and would the pool and porch be non-negotiables for you, or would you cut them to save budget? Let me know below. I will see you in the next one.